If you've been thinking about buying a home, let me tell you, there is no time like the present. Seriously, right now might just be the best opportunity we've seen in the past 5 years to invest in property and make it your own. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group, and I'm here to break down why now is the perfect time to buy. First, let's talk about interest rates. While they've had their ups and downs over the past few years, we've seen a sweet spot of stabilization right now. Compared to the highs of recent years, today's rates are a golden ticket for buyers, offering a chance to lock in affordable long-term mortgage payments. Think about it. Lower rates mean big savings over the life of your loan. Who doesn't love the idea of keeping more money in their pocket? Next, let's dive into inventory. For the past few years, sellers have been holding back, creating a tight market. But now, the tide has turned. Confidence is growing and more homes are hitting the market. According to the National Association of Realtors, there's about 4.3 months of inventory supply nationally, and that's a huge deal. It means you have more choices to find the home that fits your lifestyle and budget. Just a few years ago, that kind of variety was almost unheard of. Here's another juicy stat. New listings are up 4.9% from last year. With more homes available, buyers like you have more power to negotiate favorable terms. Whether it's getting closing costs covered, repairs done, or even snagging a better price, the ball is in your court. Talk about a buyer's market. And let's not forget the bigger picture, the long-term benefits of homeownership. Real estate is one of the most stable, rewarding investments you can make. Over the past 5 years, home values have been steadily climbing. By jumping in now, you're setting yourself up to build home equity as values continue to rise in the coming years. It's not just about a home, it's your future. So what are you waiting for? With lower rates, more inventory, motivated sellers, and long-term rewards of owning property, there's never been a better time to take a leap. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Reach out to my team and I today, and let's get you started on your journey to homeownership. We're here to help you find the perfect home right here, right now.